Simple as this, guys. I'm rolling out 60 different strategies. I'm borrowing those from 60 different channels, and I'm doing it all in 60 days. Hey, this next strategy is relatively simple to do, doesn't cost much to play, and it adds a little variety at times. If that's what you're looking for, hang in there. My friends, my name is Joe, and this is my Crapsmaster journey. Let's make it yours too. This is strategy number 34 in our series to 60. It's brought to us by the Hard 10 YouTube channel, and he calls it the Crap Strategy 6-8 in pass line bets. Win $870 in 20 minutes. He borrowed it from the Road Gambler, who used to have a YouTube channel. I can't really find much about it, but he does have a website called roadgambler.com, and I'll leave a link in the description of this table. He plays with a $5 table. We'll start off with a $200 bankroll right here. And what he does is he starts off with a $5 pass line bet. And let's look for a point. Obviously, a pass line bet will win on a 7-11. It'll lose on a 2, 3, or 12. All the other numbers become a point up here. Let's roll it, and coming out here, looking for a point. And we have a 5, 4, 9. So our point will be 9. And from here, what he does is, and I'll go through the different options really quick. From here, what he does is he will go through and lay a $24 6 and a $24 8. So that's 4 units on each of them. And that happens if the point is a 5, 6, 8, or 9. If the point becomes a 4, what he would do is he would put $25 on the 10, and then he would also do a $5 hard way for each the 4 and the 10. And vice versa, if the point was a 10, he would put $25 buy for, and he would do a $5 place bet, or $5 hard 4, hard 10 bet. The other thing that he does is he'll put a pass line bet out. And if the point is a 6 or an 8, what he would do is he would take that money off of there, and he would put $20 as an odds bet for that pass line odds. If the point was a 5 or 9, he would just take $10 off his rack to place his pass line odds. And the same would go if the 4 or the 10 became the point. He would also put $10 pass line odds that he would take out of his rack. Should the 7 come out during the pass or come out roll, he would just press his pass line odds. And everything else we'll kind of show you as we go along here. So let's go dice out. And we have a 2-1-3. That does nothing for the strategy. Dice out. And we have a 5-1-6, which is perfect. Okay, this $24 here pays out $28. And what he's going to do is he'll collect $28 at that hit. But what will happen is he will take $5 and go out on the 4, $5 on the 5, and then he will take $5 and put it on the hard 4, $5 on the hard 10. And that would happen once the 6 or the 8 would hit. So what he's doing is basically using the profits of that to spread out to the 4, 10, and the hard ways. So this made $28. We have $20 put out there in place bets in hard ways. I forgot to put the $10 pass line odds, so we'll do that as well. From this point now, what he'll do is he will collect one more hit, and then he'll start pressing each of the numbers, and I'll show you how the pressing works. So let's go dice out. Perfect timing, guys. 5, 5, 10, hard 10. So what happens is we get paid out $9 on that hard 10. And we'll get paid out $7 for every $1 bet right here. So we get paid out $35 for that hard way. Now, if the hard way hits, we'll press up that hard way to $10. So now we have 2 units on that hard 10. And then also what he'll do is, like I said, we'll collect one, but right now, let's do this one. We'll collect this quarter chip to start off with. And then we're going to press the rest of this up. What we're going to do is we're going to try to press the 6 and the 8 up to $60, and that's what we want to work it up to eventually. We also want to press the 4 and 10 up to $25. That's what we want to work that up to eventually. So let's do this one. Let's go 5. Go one more unit on the 6, one more unit on the 8. And that'll bring it up to a $30 bet. So let's make that like 30. And we're just going to rack the $2 then. One more hit on each one of these, we can bring those up to 60. And I guess we're going to bring these up to 25. So dice out. And we have a 639. It does nothing for the strategy. Oops, actually it does. Let me bring it back. Our next roll is going to be an 8, by the way. But 639 does. That is our points. Our puck comes off. We're going to get paid out $5 on that pass line bet. And we're also going to get paid out $15 on the odds bet. So we're going to take the odds down. We'll rack all this up for now. And actually what we're going to do is we're going to use the profits to press up to 4 and 10. So we're going to go up to $20 on each, and that will make that a buy bet on this table. So we have $20 on each. And that will become a buy bet on both sides. And that'll be for a $2 vig. Okay, and now we're going to be coming out. We're going to be looking for a point. Everything on the table is off right now except for the pass line bet. So coming out, looking for a point. And we have a 5-3-8, which is what we had rolled prior to the point being hit. So point becomes an 8. Again, we're going to move this down. We're going to take this off. We'll move this down right now. We can only go 3, 4, 5 times odds. So we can only go $25 there. So we're just going to rack the nickel for now. That way, if that pass line hits, the odds will pay up $30, just so you guys know. Okay, dice out. And we have a 617. So we didn't get that far on that. So let's take everything off. And let's roll it out again. Puck comes off. And let's buy $50 in nickels. 4, 5. Okay, we'll start off with a $5 pass line bet. Dice out, looking for points. Coming out. 516. The puck goes to the 6, and what we're going to do now is we are going to go $24 on the 8, and we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, $20 on the pass line odds. Okay, we're all set up. Now we're going to be looking to hit the 6 or the 8. And perfect. We have a 5-3-8. So that is a hit. Again, we paid out $28 for that. We're just going to collect that for now, because that will be our first hit. So collect the first hit. Second hit will spread out. It's out for a point. Oop, we got perfect. Hard 6. 3-3-6. Hard 6. So what happens is our pass line gets paid out $5, and our odds bets get paid out $24. Okay, puck comes off. We're just going to collect all this money. And actually what we'll do, we will go put $24 up on that 6. And remember that was our second hit. So let's do this one. So let's spread out to the 4, 10, and then our hard ways. And that'll give us $5 to collect on that shooter. Okay. Everything on here is off except for the pass line bets. Dice out, look for a point. And we have a 6, 2, 8. Point is 8. So again, we're going to go with $20 in odds on the pass line. We'll rack this up right here for the time being. And dice out. And we have a 4, 3, 7. So we didn't get too far on that one. Puck comes off. And we lose everything that's out here. We're going to roll this out one more time, guys. And then we will do a count out on our chips to see how we did. Okay, again, $5 on the pass line. Dice out, coming out for a point. And we have a 6, 4, 10. Okay, so this is nice because this is going to show something a little bit different here. So the 10 is the point. Again, we're going to start off with a 4-unit bet on the 6, 4-unit bet on the 8, which is 24 on each. Okay, we're going to put $25 on the hard 4, and we'll put $4 hard way on both the 4 and the 10. And I'm going to pick up some nickels. This is going to go through most of the rest of our money here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to go with a $10 pass line odds, and we'll just put the rest in our rack here for now. Dice out. And we have a 516. Perfect. That's 6 pays $28. And actually, we're going to pay it out in a quarter because our first one will be a collect. Dice out. And we have a perfect 5-5 hard 10. So puck comes off. That's going to pay out $5 on that pass line. That's going to pay out $15 on the odds. And then that's going to pay out $35 on the hard 10. Okay, now what I said before was we try to press the 6 and the 8 up to $60. We're going to try to press these up to a quarter each. We already have a quarter on here. I'm going to drop that down to a nickel unless the point becomes the 4 or 10 again. And we're going to go with $5 on the 4, $5 on a 10. And let's do this one. So let's make this and this. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's $30 right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's another $30. Okay, that hit there will allow us to press up to $60. So we are at max bet on that one already. All we have to do is we have to bring the 4 and the 10 up to $25, and we should be good to go on that stuff. Let's go this way. Dice out, look for a point coming out. 2 on 3. We lose $5 on that pass line bet. Just so you know, everything on here is off. Dice out. And we have a 2-2-4, hard 4. Perfect. Okay, I wish that was turned on, but it's not. So what's going to happen is we're going to go with a $10 pass line odds bet. The hard 4 is still up there. Everything's turned back on. And we're going to go with a $25 10. That's a buy 10, so we'll do that for $1. Okay, nice out. And we have a 3-5, 2-5. That does nothing for the strategy. And we have a 5-1-6. Perfect. Okay, so that's 60 right there. Pays out 70. And we already have this up to a quarter, so we don't have to go up any further on that. But we can increase the odds down there. And again, we got a 3, 4, 5 times odds. So we can go with $15. So put another one up, and we're just going to collect the rest of this. Okay, dice out. And we have a 4-4-8 hard pay, square pair. Again, pays out $70. And we're just going to rack that. Actually, what I'll do is I'll go 10, 5 on each of the hard ways and rack the rest. Okay, dice out. And we have a 5, 2, 7. That's all right, guys, because we got a lot of our money back, and I think we did make a little bit of a profit off just this last shooter. So it shows you how strong this strategy can be on a little bit longer of a roll. That was not terribly long, but it was a little bit longer. So we were able to make our money back, and we'll find out if we made a profit as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's $10. 5, 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. So we are actually at $195. So we actually lost $5. Again, like I said, that was 4 relatively shorter shooters. Kept us on the table. We're waiting for that long shooter or long roll to come out. Not a lot of sand in there. You also saw that we did actually make money back pretty fast at the end there. So hey, if you like this strategy that I borrowed from the Hard 10 YouTube channel, make sure that you look in the description. I'll leave a link to their original video. If you like my videos, my craft strategy videos, click on the link on that side screen there, and that'll bring you to more of my videos. Hey my friends, my name is Joe, and this is my Craftsmaster Journey. Let's make it yours too.